Hi guys, Nick here, and today I got our DVD unboxing video. And I just got this one pretty recently, which is the second Goosebumps movie, Goosebumps 2 Haunted Halloween. Here we got the bad guys on the front of the case here on the top, with the good guys surrounded by the bad guys on the bottom here. And we got the back of the case. Here's we got scenes from a movie. On the top says fun adventure for the whole family. We also got some bonus features in here. And now let's open this up and take a look at the DVD disc. Now the plastic is off and let's open up the case. And this is what the DVD disc looks like for Goosebumps 2. And that's about it for today's DVD unboxing. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to give this video a like and comment. And if you're new to the channel, press the red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified when a new video is uploaded to the channel. And I will see you guys in my next video. And peace.